do some science.
Okay. Okay, well what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be doing some experiments using
Vinegar. And baking soda.
Okay, what else are we going to be needing for this activity?
This activity we are going to need Play-Doh, a cup, and a tablespoon.
Okay, very good. That's all our materials. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use the Play-Doh to make a volcano.
A volcano. So we're just gonna take these four colors and just mix them together. Maybe form it into like a circle. And it could be big, small, whatever size, and then you just need to make like a little hill.
Alright, that looks good.
Daddy, you.
Alright, I'll make it.
I couldn't do it. Daddy's gonna make it. And if you look in the back, we have these words. And we have all these words in the back, which all these words present one word. Science with Daddy.
So what we're going to do now
Salt.
is we're going to take some baking soda
Baking soda?
and we're going to take 1 scoop of it and we're going to put it inside the volcano.
Whoa.
Nice. Okay.
How's this gonna be science?
We're going to see.
Let me take a little more.
Okay. And then we're going to take,
Let me have a little more.
and then we're going to take the vinegar.
We're scooping.
Alright, that's plenty. Volcano there. Alright, now I'm going to take the vinegar. I'm going to pour the
Vinegar.
vinegar into the volcano.
Pour the vinegar into the volcano. There we go. Lava coming out.
Alright, and it oozes out the lava.
Now that's science.
Now, do you know how that happened?
There was like a little type of air that was in this. So why we use this spoon is because we took this that has that has like a little. It smells a little funny. You just need maybe like a spoon or two.
That's
Then you put it in, and then you pour some vinegar, and you just need to do this. What we just did. It kind of stains your hand.
okay. What do you remember? What kind of gas comes out of this? No, it's carbon.
Carbon dioxide.
Right. Yeah, it's carbon dioxide comes out of it,
Carbon dioxide
and
just
it
comes out.
makes the bubbles, and the bubbles come up out of the volcano. So that's our first little experiment. So what's our second experiment?
Our second experiment, we are going to use this, which is blue. We're going to need some materials that we did last time where we made the volcano. We may have some same materials. There's only one. Well, we're going to use a balloon, white, baking soda, again, a water cup that only has a little vinegar. Well, in a puddle. And a cup of vinegar.
Okay, very good. So what is the first thing that we're going to do?
We are first going to, now as you see, Daddy just put the funnel into the balloon. I am going to take a scoop of baking soda. Not the whole thing. Pour it into here. Make it a little more. I'm going to take just a hair more. We are just tapping it down into here. See, it's filling up.
Okay. Pour out the rest. Okay, that's good. That's plenty. Okay, I'm going to put that on the side, and then I take some vinegar and pour the vinegar into the bottom.
Now, this is a pretty neat thing.
I put about a quarter of a cup of vinegar into the bottle. Okay, now you hold the bottle. Hold it two hands. Okay. And then stick
Now,
this.
watch this. Now, watch this. This is going to be some pretty neat. Now that's pretty neat. Did the rest of the vinegar fall out?
Yes, it did. A little baking soda fell to the bottom. Now what is the balloon filled up with? Yeah, say it louder.
Carbon dioxide.
Right, it's carbon dioxide. Okay. Wow, that was pretty cool, huh?
Daddy, let it go.
So, we've got this. Now, Colby, take a big cup. Yep, the baking soda.
Could you put some more in here?
Oh,
I need some more. I need some more.
There we go. Yeah, that's plenty. It doesn't have to be a full cup to the top. That's plenty. Okay, let me get more vinegar.
More.
More vinegar. Okay,
Pour it in.
go ahead. Whoa! That was a lot. Now that made a lot of carbon dioxide. Now there's an interesting thing about carbon dioxide. There's a few interesting things about it. There's lots of things that are great about carbon dioxide. One thing is that carbon dioxide is heavier than air. So right now this is filled up with carbon dioxide and it doesn't float away. It just sinks down into the bottom there. Another thing that's really neat about carbon dioxide is that it puts out fires. You and I, Colby, when we breathe in, what do we breathe in?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. And if we breathe in carbon dioxide, we're not breathing in oxygen. And that is a problem for us. Fires also need oxygen. But if we replace the oxygen with carbon dioxide, it stops the flame. Okay, for our last experiment, what we're going to do is we're going to make a whole bunch. Yeah, this is the last one. No? You want to do more than one?
One more.
One more after this. Okay, I think we could do one more experiment, but it's going to have a couple of parts to it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Hi again. Hi again.
Okay, so we have a birthday candle over here.
Happy birthday to you.
And it's sitting in a container. The container has got air in it because you can see that the fire is still going. Okay, go ahead.
Whoa! That did you say that candle almost went out. Now clean that up.
Okay, I'm waiting for the bubbles to die down. This whole container is filled with carbon dioxide, which is just resting in the container. It is not floating out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the invisible carbon dioxide
Just pour it right on.
onto the candle.
This is what happens if you pour it right on. I'm going to show you right after he pours it right on. It's very cool. Pour it right on there. Oh!
And candles need oxygen
Like us.
in order for the flame to burn. As I lower this in there, it's going to get to a point where it hits the carbon dioxide and it goes out.
Light it again! Light it again!
Want me to light it again?
Yeah, light it again! Happy birthday to you! Ah, no, don't.
We had some good fun today with baking soda and vinegar making carbon dioxide. What do you think?
Yeah!
I just have to move the camera. Stay right where you are.
Ow. Ow.
That's good.
Daddy, these are hurting me.
What's
These
hurting?
are hurting me, these.
The goggles? Okay.
It's hurting me on the nose.
I hit record. Go back against the wall. Now, what is she barking at?
Uh-oh.
Alright, let's make the volcano now.
Now, since you have the... I'm gonna run away. Bye! Bye! Carbon dioxide! I said carbon dioxide! Carbon dioxide!
But since it's heavier than air, alright, go ahead, go back against the wall.
I'm saying,
Right.
whoa! Let me do 1, 2, 3.
Okay,
Whoa!
whenever you're ready.
1, 2.
Okay, didn't work. Take 2.